Ladies and gentlemen, this morning the Romai Council of Agland are performing the Rangdai Lang, which is the Hornbill dance. The Hornbill dance, which literally, the Rangdai Lang literally means the Hornbill dance, is befitting of the entity of the Hornbill Festival, as it showcases the uniqueness of the great hornbill bird, lamented in songs, myths, and legends. The hornbill dance is an important form of performing arts of the Romai tribe. It is a dance in tribute to the majestic hornbill bird. The hornbill bird is the most admired, revered, and culturally significant bird that symbolizes fidelity, beauty, strength, and grace. The hornbill bird is known for its conjugal love relationship. The level of trust and bond they share is amazing. The dance displays the attractive flight and movements of the male bird Rangdai hovering around in vigil during the feeding season of their young chicks, and the caregiver, the mother hornbill, perched on the tree guarding its nest. It is an alluring and fascinating sight of romance and cleverness of the feathered friends. The dance attempts to capture the dignified movements of the hornbill and the steps of the bird as the dancers emulate the flight of the hornbill. This is a duet performance by male and female dancers. The dance is accompanied by a band of singers with drummers and cymbalists.